Hey guys, happy Friday. I wasn't planning to come on today, but yesterday I shared with you my really cute checkered dishes, and I like them so much that I went on to Amazon and I found the checkered porcelain storage containers. And I showed my husband, he's like, yeah, get them, get them. And I said, oh, they're gonna look so cute when we get the kitchen done. So I ordered them last night. I'm sitting in my robe this morning, drinking my coffee, and I see a lady dropping the package off at the front door. I said, what could be that? I was not expecting these to come that quickly, but they did. They came next day. So I just took them out of the box and I thought I'd share them with you because they look like they're so cute. So I was going to unbox them in front of you, but I couldn't wait. I just couldn't. I was like, I gotta see them. So I still have them in the styrofoam. Let's take them out and look at them together. Wood lids with a seal around them, which is really nice. And let's see, I've got 1, 2. And like I said, they're all in, different sizes. Let me get the styrofoam off. 3, 4, right? Now let's look at the bowls. So here's the first one. Let me turn this light off. Anyway, here's the storage lid. How cute is that? I'm in love. I'm in love. I have to say they package these super well. They put they put these little pieces in between. It locks them in there real good, see? So they're in there good and tight. But let's put this storage top on. How cute is that? I'm in love. Getting styrofoam on myself. But look at this, you guys. I love them. So check this out. I'm sorry, but does this not say Mackenzie Childs, even though it's not? And these were fairly inexpensive. If there are any left, get them while you can. I also ordered 2 checkered candle holders. And boy, oh boy, are these gonna look adorable with 2 topiaries on top with a Christmas bow. I can't wait to share that with you coming up. Another thing I have to share now, my husband ordered this. We have a real wood burning fireplace. And let me tell you, my husband, he just ordered 2 cords of wood and had them delivered. He has been making us a fire every night, sometimes in the morning when we have our coffee, and he wanted to get a bucket where he could put the ashes or the wood. So he ordered this on Amazon. Isn't it cute? So you can put your ashes in here and then pour them out, or you can put this on the hearth and just store your wood. And so I'm probably going to put some wood in here. It'll be really cute on the hearth for winter and functional. Now, I ordered 2 mirrors on Overstock, and they came last night, and I'm so sad to say that one was broken and the other one was not. Now, I ordered these for my husband's office. He has 2 ledges that are against the wall, and I thought one would be pretty on one ledge and one would be pretty on the other. It would add a reflective quality, and it matches his office furniture perfectly. So I have contacted Overstock and we'll see what they say because I want a new one. But check it out. It's so pretty. Look at the detail. See the detail? And it's a big mirror. It's a big one. I need to get my sprayway out and clean it real good because it had styrofoam protecting it. But it really is a beautiful, beautiful mirror. I'll have to take the camera down so you can see it because I've got my light ring right here. But it's beautiful. It's so pretty. So here's the mirror. I almost wanted to steal it and use it on the fireplace mantle for Christmas. He said he's not sure if he'll want it in his office, so if he doesn't, I'll take it. But check it out. So I brought the camera down so I could show you what's in this box, but there's this piece, this piece, this piece, and the base. So let's put it together, but I want to show you guys this. See my little autumn tree right there? I think it's supposed to look similar to that, but in like a pine tree. Now, you guys may see that little tree right there. That's my autumn tree. This is similar to that, but it's a pine tree. Want to see what it looks like? Should we put it together? I think it's cute for the money and the time it took to put together. I mean, 10 minutes to fluff. I think it's pretty cute. And I think I'm going to put it right there. We need a little bling in the sunroom. All right, now I've got a little clip of something my daughter did for her sister who's away at college. She'll be coming home right before Thanksgiving, and she wanted some LED lights installed in her room like her other sister's room. So here's a little clip, and this is a teaser for what's coming next week.
I really wanted to get it right. Trying to find some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight. Didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say.
All right, guys, that's going to wrap up this little video for today. Short and sweet, but I just wanted to pop on and say hi. I wanted to thank you guys for your lovely comments on last night's video and wish you all a wonderful weekend. And I will see you all next week. Mwah! Bye, guys.